Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provides single sign-on solution for your Shopify store, and is one of the best single sign-on solution available in the market. In this video we are going to configure single sign-on into the Shopify store, using Okta as an identity provider. To install the miniOrange single sign-on application on your Shopify store, visit the Shopify App Store and search for SSO. Once you find the miniOrange application, click Install and then follow the prompts to complete the installation. Get service provider metadata from the Shopify Single Sign-On application. Go to your Shopify admin, and navigate to Apps section. Select miniOrange Single Sign-On application. Click on Add Identity Provider button, and select SAML Protocol. Choose Okta as an identity provider, from the given list of IDPs. Now click on the Get Metadata button, as shown in the video to get the service provider metadata. Now log in to your Okta Developer Console, and select Application section under Applications. Click on Create App Integration button, and choose SAML 2.0. Click on Next. Add appropriate app name, then click Next. For SAML configuration, you need to get the entity ID and ACS URL from Shopify SSO application. Copy ACS URL, and paste it in the Single Sign-On URL section in Okta. Copy entity ID, and paste it in Audience URI section in Okta. Select the name ID format as email address, and application username as email. You can map attributes between Okta and Shopify, from the Attribute Statement section. Click on Next. Select Okta configuration type and click on Finish. Navigate to the Assignment tab in Okta. Click on Assign and select Assign to People. Select the user from the pop-up. Click on Done. Go to the Sign On tab in Okta, and scroll down to SAML Signing Certificates section. Generate a new certificate, and activate it. Now click on the Action button, and select View IDP Metadata option. Copy the IDP metadata URL. And navigate back to Shopify SSO application. Go to the Add Identity Provider section, and click on Import IDP Metadata URL button. Choose the Update method as metadata link, and paste the copied IDP metadata URL. Click on Import. Add appropriate IDP name and click on Save. Click on the Test Connection button. You will see a Test Successful pop-up window. Now click on the Fetch Attribute button to fetch the IDP attributes. Map predefined Shopify attributes with IDP attributes. Click on Save. Now make your configured IDP as a default identity provider for Single Sign-On. Let's see how Single Sign-On application works for end users. Now you can see the Login with miniOrange button is activated on your Shopify store. Click on SSO button. You will be redirected to Okta Login page. Log in with your existing Okta account. You have successfully logged into Shopify Store using Okta. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, reach out to us at shopifysupport@theratesecurify.com.